Hi everyone, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to embellish this beautiful glittery mini purse. It's very similar to the last bag that I just designed, except for this one is a rainbow glitter with some embellishments right in the front. I'm going to show you the details of the bag before I go into the decorating. This one is a slight bit different in the sense that it does not have Velcro. It actually has a zipper. It is very small, but it is so cute and well made. So let's look at the inside. It comes with a little furry, so you can put it as a ball accent or a bag accent. And it also comes with a strap. But I'm going to show you towards the end of the video what I'm going to do to bring this up 1,000 notches. So it is rather spacious. You can see here, for as small as it is, it's about 7 inches in size. You can see the diameter just by comparing it to my hands. If you would like to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. So the bag will go from this to this. So before we get started with the embellishing of the bag, I want to show you the crystals I'll be using for this project. Now, the main thing you need to know when embellishing a handbag is that you want to be able to match the colors of the stones with the base of the bag. So I got a green for the green glitter, a blue for the blue section here, and then I have an iridescent purple, pink, red, another pink, and a peach. And that is all going to be layered on top, and that is your main goal. So if you have a pink, you don't want to apply a yellow on top because that's just not going to look seamless. So the next thing I want to let you guys know is that this store does not update their website. So if you're trying to have access to these stones, you will more than likely not find them. But if you're ever in the downtown area, please take a visit to their store. They have loads of crystals and I recommend visiting their location. I did try to film for you all, but they did not allow me since there's a few waivers and legalities that have to transpire before that occurs, but I'm working on it. Next thing I want to show you is the glue that I use, because although I post all the links below and all the information below, I always get asked the same question. So I use the transparent E6000. It comes just like this. Do not get the square tip nozzle or the flat tip nozzle because you want the pointed nozzle to be able to make application easier. So again, clear, transparente, E6000. I'll post the links below as well. Remember to work in a well-ventilated area and wear a mask because this glue is highly toxic. You will also want to wipe down each one of the stones before you apply. I am a germphobe, so anytime I get home, they are cleansed properly before I start adhering them to any projects. Okay guys, so prop your bag so that it is leveled so you have less chances of the stones slipping. And these stones actually have 2 different colors on each side. If you turn it this way, it is a beautiful iridescent green. If you turn it to the other side, it is a beautiful pink with yellow hue. So we are going to be working for the first layer on the green side. Okay, so before you begin your project, please make sure that you snap a photo once you've already placed the stones on top so that you don't forget where you're going to place them once you set the glue down. So make sure you reference your map so that you can follow it. So you're placing them alongside the studs here. You see how this pink pops so much with the base glitter pink? It just really, same thing with the peach stones just look so much more beautiful with the base corresponding colors as well. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to be taking these rhinestones with the gold backing and we're going to be placing them wherever we see little gaps. So right in there, since the glue is still fresh, and you could see that will just sparkle. Make sure the glue is wet still before you start applying these stones, otherwise they will fall off. You have plenty of glue so they could get buried in when you press them. They basically encase the metal backing when you have enough glue, and they grip it in place. So these little stones were purchased for $1.50. Same place, Beads Factory, and you get, or these are $2 actually. And you could see here they're SS40 in size. They are quite a bit for $2, and they sparkle very nicely. Okay guys, for the final step, I'll be placing the stones on top of the strap part of the purse. These are different than these stones in the front. These come in a pack of 3 or 2, and they are $2. And they're about 27 millimeters in size, and they are so faceted and sparkly. This one is iridescent, and I think it matches beautifully with the bag, and that's what's going to be placed on top. Okay guys, so now that the stones are on, make sure you let dry overnight. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. It is not in the sun, but you could see how beautiful it gleams just with my filming studio lights, and it is such a stunner. I did add an accent chain, and this is my favorite part, or one of my favorite parts, and it is an oil slick chain that contains every color in the bag. It is such a beauty. It's from Amazon, just like the bag is. I'm posting the links below so you can take a look at it. It was $14, and it is worth every penny. It is a substantial weight. It is rather long, so you could wear this bag over your arm or as a crossbody. If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.